Children, today we are making a greeting card for the Friendship Day. Okay, children? Are you excited? Yes or no? Yes, I am ready. You're also ready? Yes, come. Let's make the greeting card. Children, take one white paper and one plate over it and do how I am doing. And place over here and trace it. Okay, draw a circle. How I am drawing, see here, and draw a circle over here. And take the scissors and cut the circle. See here, it's round, no? On the line, you must cut it. Take your parents' help, okay, children? After cutting, children, see this white paper will be like this. Okay, after that, what you must do, see here, just a little fold in like this. How? The top of that, a little fold like this. See here, a small fold. Okay, do it like this, a small fold over here. And see, how is it? It is like this. Okay, take one blue paper, blue A4 sheet paper. This is blue A4 sheet, and fold it into half, okay, into equal, and just make like this. And you did know this white paper and placed over here. How I am placing here? See how I am placing, where I am placing, in the edge, near the edge. Yes, and take your pencil and draw another line, one more line. Okay, by seeing this, draw neatly and take scissors and cut it. Okay, children, here, see here how I am cutting here. Okay, cut like this. After cutting, children, it will be like this. Okay, now see here, one more, and cut in another paper. You must cut a small, these are the small circles, and cut small circles and big circles and paste like this. Okay, on that. Okay, children, what you must do, you must paste it. See here how I am pasting it. Paste it like this, it will come. Okay, now children, place this over here and apply some glue over here and paste it here like this. How I showed you, see here, I am showing you now, children, like this you must paste it. Ears, these are what are these? These are ears. Now see here, now it will be like this, and paste one more. See here, this round is there, no, big round, and apply some glue over here and paste it. Okay, now see here, place over in the middle. Okay, now see, eyes. Okay, now apply some glue and place the eyes. Okay, and again one more, apply some glue and place it. Okay, children. Okay, now next, now here is the nose. I'm applying some glue over here and placing here. Yes, this is, now our Friendship Day greeting card is ready. You can see the teddy bear greeting card. Yes. Okay, you also do, children, like this. And now open the page. Okay, and write here, happy Happy. Happy Friendship Day. Friendship. Happy Friendship Day. Okay, children? Write like this. And one more. You are my. Write down. You are my cute friend. Okay, write like this. You are my cute friend. Okay, children? Write inside like this. Okay? And now our teddy is ready. Now teddy greeting card is ready. Okay, you can give to your best friend. Friend is very, see here, a friend indeed is a friend in need. A friend in need is a friend in deed. Okay, children. So children, be a good friend forever. Okay, try this greeting card and enjoy your friendship day. Okay, children.